Title and video thumbnail can actually impact how long people stay to watch your video. Alright, you make sure that whatever video title you are putting down, and also whatever video YouTube thumbnail you want to use for your YouTube video, you make sure it is relating to what that video is all about. Because if a viewer happens to click on that YouTube thumbnail or that video, and let's say for instance this video is all about cooking, okay, and a particular viewer comes across the video and sees how to make jollof rice, right? Then that particular video that you uploaded that is all about cooking is actually how to prepare chicken. It is not relating. Meanwhile, they are all cooking videos, but it's just as though you are trying to do a clickbait. You're drawing viewers to come see this particular video, but this is not what they are expecting to see, because what you have on your thumbnail is different from what you have in your video. Guys, this is going to be bad for your channel because it will lead to low audience retention, misleading or confusing package, and trust me guys, bad exit equals to bad signals. I mean, it is bad for you to have a video that is all about chicken, and in your YouTube thumbnail you're talking about how to prepare jollof rice, and in your video title is all about how to prepare jollof rice. So where is the chicken video coming from? People are going into that your channel and to watch your video because they are expecting to learn how to cook jollof rice, but heading to that particular video they are seeing how to prepare chicken. It is not relating, guys, in as much as it is concerning, it is all around cooking. It is still very bad to mislead people, because that's where we now see this YouTube phrase coming up as misleading content. You really wouldn't want that, and that can also result to people reporting your channel because you are misleading them. So your YouTube thumbnail, your video title is very important. It is as important as you waking up every morning to create a video so that people will come across your videos and also like and subscribe and very much just learn, right? So you having a video title and a YouTube thumbnail that is not relating with what is actually in that video, I mean the content of that video, then guys, you are misleading, and that will definitely lead to low audience retention. Because for instance, that viewer can actually click on that video, and what happens next? The next 2 seconds that person is out because that person didn't get what he or she was looking for, and that will send a signal, a bad one, to the YouTube algorithm, meaning low audience retention. So guys, please and please make sure your video title, your YouTube thumbnail is relating to what you have on your channel regarding whatever video you're uploading for. If you're talking about fried rice, make sure your YouTube thumbnail is all about fried rice. Just make sure to make it catchy, make sure it is concise, make sure it is straight to the point. Same with your video title. It is important, guys. These are the main things that, because I mean, these are the first things our viewers see: the YouTube thumbnail and also the video title. These are the things that would make them decide if they really want to go into that video or just swipe away. So going into the video and getting what they didn't ask for will make them leave, and that will send a bad signal to your YouTube channel, for your YouTube channel. So guys, your YouTube thumbnail, your video title should always relate to what you have in your video, because you are trying to make people understand that this is what you're talking about in this particular video. So your YouTube thumbnail is the first thing they see, and also your YouTube video title. These are the first things they see, and also make them decide if they really want to watch that video. There are beautiful applications that you can use to create a very creative YouTube thumbnail. We have Canva, we have PixArt, we have Pixel, we have CapCut. I have a tutorial video where you can use CapCut to create a thumbnail for your viewers and for your videos that are very, very sweet. Because I mean, it is easier and it is faster. So guys, what are you waiting for? Make sure your video title and your YouTube thumbnail is exactly what that viewer is clicking your videos for, to avoid sending a bad signal to YouTube algorithm, and also making your channel become shadow banned, and also making your channel have less views. That also contributes. I will see you guys in my next video. I hope this video helps. Please do well to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, click for more, like for more updates, and also I will see you in my next one. See you guys.